Hi. So we have done that. If you look here, we have some adapter called incident adapter, which will look for the take care of the conversation which is available in case 1 and then case 3. Okay. And case 2, I have another adapter called here as address bot address adapter, which will take care of any thing which is related with address information. Okay, so these are all the two things, and I have created a more data class so that it will have customer ticket status due loss rates, so that when we are going to update or change something related with this customer Joe ticket and all the stuff, use this particular method. There is also a service. Currently I have made a mocked service. Rather than that, you can just use your database call or whatever, and then get instance of this incident, and then you can give it back to the user. Okay. And then there are training lists as well, and I have opened this application. Let me do this. So once I open it, if you see here, how can I help you today? This is the message, and our message normally we will go for the case 1 actually. Okay, so it was asking, can I have your ticket number or phone number, and then we will use some other number here. We will just change Paris numbers. We'll use 601. Okay, so it will identify 601 finished due date and all this stuff. Since my mission is super fast, it was coming so fast, but normally it will be like that. If you see here how I have handled in this incident adapter, it will get the incident number, and then it will call get incident status, and there what I do is I will identify that if it is ends with 1, I will get the finished status. If it ends with 2, I will get escalator status and all this stuff. So that's the reason, since it ends with 1, it is giving like finished and all this stuff. So if I am going to call again, and then if I am going to give another ticket number which ends with 3, it will say like John Doe ticket in progress due date and all this stuff, blah blah blah. You can change some whatever it is extensible. I have made this code clear, so you can just modify and do all stuff. Okay, and we have got all this information different, and then if after completion it will get like, do you have any other questions? If you see there, it was a bot related stuff, it will automatically ask because of the idleness. Okay, and then I will say okay, no thanks and all the stuff. Okay, it says have a nice day. Okay, so this is the first scenario, and it has been completed that. And if you going forward, all your things you can make this under incident service. Okay, and you can use this get incident status, because it will give you the incident number and you can do all the stuff there. Okay. So that is for case 1, and for case 2 we will reload again, and then we will see it will ask like this, and this is for address adapter, right? Address bot. So I will ask something like this. It will ask all other stuff. It will ask for the current address. Actually, since you see here, I believe I have got this information, like address will have this kind of rejects. So I will say like my current address is this one. Okay, it will say I got your new information, what's the new address. So I'm just going to give this one as per the bot, and here if I give it, it will ask for the confirmation. Okay, so I will just say like I confirm, your address has been changed, your request number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you see here, there is a method called create incident, and then currently it was just giving a dummy number. You can call some service, create some service, create an incident and return it back. Okay, and then yeah. So this is it here, I guess, right? Yeah. Any other questions should arrive? Yeah, it has arrived. Any other questions? Okay, so yeah, we can say like no tags or nothing. So case 2 has been completed. We will reference the page again for case 3. I will ask, hi there, how can I help you? I'll give all this information. Yeah. It will ask for name and location, and then I will give my name and location there. It will ask for telephone number, and if you see, the telephone number is the key here, because after I give the telephone number, the bot should say like I have opened the ticket INC XXXY for you. Okay, so I will give the telephone number. You see, it was given this thing. So where I have given us inside the incident adapter itself, I will verify that whether if it has a phone number. If it has only phone number, it should not like combine with any phone number. It I just have only one phone number. If it is phone number, I am returning true, and then inside the process, I am verifying again like if it has only phone number. If it has phone number, I am just giving us open text. But normally, what you can do is you can create a method and let that given incident, and then you can just send back those information to them. Okay. And apart from that, most of the static text regularly you can train it via like this. I would like to change my address and file. Sure, I can have your phone number. If you have any other things, you can just write a question and an answer, question and an answer. So this is going to be like that. Okay. So I believe that's it. Let me know if you have anything. The UI stuff, I can't work too much on this because I have some other work as well. I believe this should almost complete our work. I would expect that we can close this task, and then we can release the payment and give some good ratings so that we can work together with the time permits. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.